Hello, this is Xander, and we are about to videotape a Knievel Conniver about to do an incredible stunt that will be unattemptable ever to be attempted. Would you ever be prepared for such a catastrophic event to ever happen? Here. He is.
Hi.
He is going to ride down the slide and this stuff and do these things. And he might die. Don't try this at home. Actually, do try this at home and send us videos of it. It will be funny.
Okay. Gonna do it.
I think he just got his butt wiped by the slide. I think he got the butt wiped by the slide. Do it, Cam! He didn't die. He didn't die. He did it. He did it. He did it. Did he do it? He did it. This is Xander, and we are watching a man be locked in a refrigerator. Try and get out. He is locked in the refrigerator, and I'm not letting him out. Is it cold in there, Cameron? Is it cold in there?
Yeah.
It is cold. He's getting cold. Is it going to catch on fire?
What?
Is it going to catch on fire?
Yeah.
Nice try. You almost got free. So, we're just going to sit here and talk a little bit.
Hey, douchebag, let me out.
Now, we will not let him out because he is trapped and it is funny. So, we'll tell some jokes. Ew, what is that? What is that? What is that? So we'll just tell some jokes or something.
Let me out.
Karen, tell me a joke.
I don't know any jokes right now. I'm trapped in a refrigerator.
Okay. The red-haired lady's like, yo, let me get back to work, so I can make money and, start going on this, thing that's gonna save my life or whatever. And then the blonde-haired lady is sitting there alone on this island. She's like, man, I'm lonely. I really wish I could have my friends back. And poof, they're all back on the island and the genie's gone. Ah! Tell me that wasn't funny. Tell me that wasn't funny. That was some funny shit. Okay. On the count of 3, we're gonna let him out. We're gonna let him out. Ready, set, go.
God, that's bright. Why did you lock me in the refrigerator? Xander? Yeah, dude, so my brother just locked me in the refrigerator for no reason. I don't know why. And he's just like, oh yeah, is it cold in there? And he's like making jokes and stuff. And I'm just like, what the hell? I'm in a refrigerator, dude. And, it was just really upsetting. To say the least. Yeah. It's pretty bad. Okay, so the other day I was exploring the forest right by my house, and the most amazing thing happened. I found a garden gnome in the forest. And I talked to him, and he said I could come back anytime I want. So, I'm gonna go see him now. So here's the entrance to the forest. Luckily I brought my special pendant to ward off evil spirits. Here we go. I think he lives pretty close around here. kind of spooky, isn't it? Nope. There he is. Hey!
Hello there, young fellow. What can I do for you today?
Well, I was just really surprised to find a gnome in the forest the other day. And I was wondering if you could, like, show me a few tricks or magic things that, you know, magic gnome tricks and stuff.
Magic gnome tricks. What do you mean?
Well, I don't know, just make something appear out of nowhere or something. Like, make something appear in my hand. Whoa! How did you do that?
It's all gnome magic, my dear. It's all gnome magic.
Wow, gnome magic. Could you, like, teach me? Mr. Gnome? What's that?
Oh, what's what, my dear?
Well, that. Is that a dead hooker?
What? How dare you accuse me of having a dead hooker in my forest?
But right there, that's definitely a dead hooker in your forest. Mr. Gnome, what the hell are you doing? I'm gonna call the police on you.
Oh no, you won't, because if you do, I will rape you silly. I will rape you till there's nothing left to rape. You better run.
I don't want to get raped. I'm out of here.